We have a question in chat for you, Stephanie, to recommend a good T-shirt brand and style to go with for Etsy.
Okay, so it's up to you. I personally like to use the Bella Canvas. I think it's the Bella Canvas 301. It's a more expensive shirt. They do have the, what is it called? Anvil, Advil. I don't know no,
Anvil, Gildan.
Gildan. Yeah, the real cheap $9 shirt. Um, I hate that shirt. I refuse to wear them. I do not own any myself. When you wash them, they shrink. They feel like cardboard. And my thought process is pay for a better shirt, have customers coming back for more. So I've actually had several people email me after they bought one of my shirts and said, "Oh my God, this shirt is so soft." So I use the unisex Bella Canvas 301 for all my shirts. That's all I use in regards of the regular shirt. And then I use the next level women's racerback tank top because it comes in more colors.
Yeah, and I can tell you from just my traditional screen printing side, like that's a super popular shirt, the Next Level Racerback. We sold a ton of those when I was working for the traditional screen printer, so those are good shirts as well.
And one of the girls I work with was actually wearing one of my tank tops to work today, and it was one of the next
Ooh,
level.
nice.
She had to put a cardigan over it because that's a no-no at the office. But it was cute. Yeah. So I use the, like I said, the Bella Canvas. Um, and most of the, when I'm uploading a design, I try to put it on in as many of the ash colors as possible because to me those are just softer, right? But Bella Canvas and Next Level Racerbacks. Those are my two choices.